Hello everyone. Hi Aries, fire sign. This is the reading for you, December weekly reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So energy could be vice versa. Okay, let's see your messages and what's going on. Aries. So let's see. Oh, what's going on, Aries? A lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I think there is no contact between both of you. For some, there is separation also right now going. I think in past there is some communication was happened between both of you guys. Eight of Wands with Page of Pentacles. Definitely someone message you, your person maybe, but you stand by your power this time because Nine of Pentacles, it's you. You are concentrating on your career right now and you are getting success also there. Because Nine of Pentacles, you are no more dependent on either emotionally or financially on anybody. Yeah, but I think some communication, I think your person did something wrong to you. They are very sneaky because Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, Five of Swords. Definitely, maybe your person putting in you some third party situation. Definitely some third party involved for some. Definitely your person played some main games, some mind games with you. They maybe cheated on you, lied to you. Yeah, but you are feeling sometimes stuck when you are thinking about your person, but they did something wrong and it hurts you so much, but you overcome that pain because you are very emotional person. You have so much, you have so many emotions for your persons, for your person, and your Queen of Cups, you are very giving and caring person in this connection, but your person not. They only played games with you in past, but now you are holding back your coin and your emotions, whatever. You are now concentrating on your career, Aries. Yeah, you are not talking to your person right now. You are undergoing some transformation also. Yeah, I think major of you are now concentrating on your career and you are not available to your person emotionally. You are not talking to you. For some, it could be your person undergoing some transformation. Okay, that's why they are not talking to you right now. I think your person definitely very sneaky energy is here. Definitely there is for some, at least for some, there could be third party situation, and there is, I think this connection is going nowhere because stuck. I think you both are stuck. Eight of Swords here. Maybe you also stuck on your person, but you are now moving on from your person. What I'm seeing here, you are undergoing some transformation. Yeah, I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. I think for some, your person also messaged you, but you didn't reply to them because they want to test the waters before coming towards you, but you didn't reply because you are holding back your feelings, your emotions. You are very grounded now. You stand by your power. You are now concentrating on your career, Aries. So here, lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy, guys. And fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Especially Virgo and air energy. Okay. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. So let's see your person current feelings first, Aries. So energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay. Knight of Pentacles. The current feelings. Two of Pentacles. Lot of earth energy. Four of Cups. I think for some, your person this could be your person also undergoing some transformation. Now they're realizing your worth, what I'm getting here. That's why they're coming back to you. I think they know they did something wrong to you in past. That's why they're now feeling sad for the missed opportunity. Four of Cups, because Two of Pentacles, definitely there are some, your person have some options also. You came to know about that. That's why the separation is happened between both of you. Knight of Pentacles with Two of Pentacles, definitely now they are coming back with sincere offer, and they also scared that you may reject their offer when they will come towards you. And Four of Cups, definitely they are feeling very sad for the missed opportunity with you. And yeah, they're coming back, they want to come back, they're thinking about that. So you or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So sign could be anything. Okay guys, I am saying particularly about this. Okay, you or your person could be any sign. I think this is for Aries, so your person could be any sign, not specifically what I am saying, that sign not. Okay, so under the deck, Five of Cups, definitely there is separation. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Aries. Knight of Wands, Three of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to work on this relationship. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So definitely there is a lot of passion involved. Your person is very passionate about you. Aries, Three of Pentacles with King of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to work on this relationship. Definitely they're coming back with stability. And Knight of Pentacles also. Yeah, this time they're thinking they want to be honest with you. Yeah, I think for some, definitely your person really changing for you, because the Hermit could be your person also. But it's up to you, it's in your hands. But definitely they're coming back. What I'm seeing, there is a lot of passion, they are attracted to you. Aries, Three of Pentacles with King of Pentacles, definitely your person want to come towards you, but it's up to you to give another chance or not. Okay, so you or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, they're coming back to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future outcome. Princess of Cups, Knight of Swords. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you. Definitely they are now getting clarity. In past, maybe your person juggling. Knight of Swords. Yeah, communication. Yeah, they want to rushing towards you. They want to rush towards you. Okay, Fool. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings with you. They want to take leap of faith. Ten of Swords. Yeah, I think you also want for some rebirth in this connection. Okay, take what resonate. For some, you decided to move on from this person. You want to start something new in your life, and you want to start it in your life in a new way. Because you want to go with the flow. Okay, the Fool. You want to so you don't want this past anymore. What I'm saying, for some you want reconciliation. Still you have strong emotions for your person. Still you want rebirth in this connection. Here two groups, one group want to move on and another group want reconciliation. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Definitely your person coming back for second chance. So it's up to you, Aries, to give second chance or not. Okay, so you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Aries, Emperor, Queen of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, Three of Wands. Definitely you turn your back from your person, and this could be long distance relationship. Yeah, for some you are also waiting for your person to come towards you. And Ten of Pentacles, definitely they want to offer stability. They are coming back. For some you are now concentrating on your career. You are getting success. You are getting financial stability. Yeah, you are very honest. I think some communication is going to be, and you also want to give clarity to your person. Emperor, this time you stand by your power. Yeah, already you committed in this relationship, but now decision is in your hands. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. The Lovers, Queen of Pentacles, Two of Swords, the Fool. 2 times. Definitely they want brand new beginnings. For some there will be reconciliation. Yeah. And definitely they are going to be choose you. Definitely your person at some crossroads. They are going to be choose you. They are going to be make decision. Queen of Pentacles. Definitely they want to share their love with you. And the Lovers. Love is there. Definitely you or your person could be Gemini. Yeah, they're coming back to work on this relationship. It's up to you. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. So thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.